Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I am so excited, but we kind of have like a really unique unboxing today. We're going to be unboxing the Revolution Beauty You Are the Revolution Advent Calendar plus the Ultimate Glamour Collection from Revolution Beauty as well. My sister sent these both to me when she sent over the Harry Potter Advent Calendar box. So I figured why not go ahead and unbox these today. And yeah, I'll let you guys know what I think of these. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, now bless my sister's soul. I love my sister more than anything, and she's always so sweet. She's so supportive of my makeup journey here on YouTube, and so she likes to buy me makeup from the UK that she thinks we don't have here. And I keep trying to remind her, like, we do get Revolution Beauty, but she's like, no, I am so excited, it's from England. I'm like, oh, okay, sure, So she sent me over this collection when she sent over the Harry Potter collection, so I'm so excited to dive on in. Last year or the year before, she sent me a number 7 advent calendar, but I kept trying to tell her, like, we get stuff like that here, but there's gonna come a day where I'm gonna make my sister make me like a mystery box or like a box from the UK and send it over here of literally makeup items that we don't have. So we're gonna go ahead and dive straight on into this entire collection. I don't really know what to expect, but we're gonna go through this journey together. So here we have the You Are Revolution Advent Calendar, and it looks like it's in a shoe. Oh, looks like it's in a shoebox. Oh wow. Okay, so it is just kind of like thrown in here like this. So we're gonna start to open these up, and then obviously whatever items I do or do not have, I will obviously go ahead and get back to you guys. So we have number 1 right here. Oh my god, this looks to be a lipstick and it looks to be red. It's so pretty. Wow, that is a very gorgeous red lipstick. Oh, we are starting off right. That's awesome. That is awesome. All right, number 2. Number 2. Oh my god, what is this? We have a liquid eyeshadow. That is so pretty. Oh my god, that's like a silver eye topper. I don't have something like this at all. That is stunning. Wow. Wow, okay. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Number 3. We have a Makeup Revolution. We just have a gloss, but this gloss looks almost like it's shimmery. It's weird. It's like, oh yeah, look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell. It has like a little bit of a hieroglyphic, has a little bit of a duochrome shift to it. That is really pretty. Like, I gotta show you guys, like, I don't know if you guys can see that. That's actually really nice. These are full-size items in here. Wow. Number 4. We have a we have a little highlighter in the shade Condition. So here is the highlighter right here. Very beautiful. I love that. Nice. Number 5. Number 5, we have a eyebrow gel. Oh, wow. Oh, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. Oh my god, I love that. That's so cute. Number 6. It's so itty bitty. This is adorable. I love this. That is way too cute. That's awesome. Number 7. This looks to be like a red lip liner. Oh my gosh. That is freaking nice. Wow, that is gorgeous. Ooh, I love that. Okay, cool. Number 8. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is going to be the Honey Eyeshadow Palette right here. That is beautiful. I don't know if we have something like this here. I know we have Revolution. I just don't know if we have some of these items. This is nice. Number 9, but I think I already opened up number 9. I think I called it number 6. So 9. Oops. We have a Eyebrow Crayon. Oh, it's like to highlight underneath the brow bone. Oh, that's nice. That's really cool. This is exciting. These look to be really like legit full-size products. I love that. Number 10. Oh, we have a cute little brush. Hey, didn't I get something like this last year? I think I did actually. Okay, that's actually cute. Number 11. We have another lipstick right here. This is, oh, but it's broken. No. Oh, it's completely broken off. So here we have it right here. It's a pretty color though. It's a pretty color. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful color called Baby. Damn it. I'm sure we could find a way to save this. I'm sure. Oh no. Number 12, we have another liquid lip right here. This is like a beautiful color right here. It's like a nice mauve-y. Wow, they're actually doing a really good job with the makeup today. Like, that's nice. Number 13. Ooh, we have another gloss right here. This would definitely come out sheer, but I think this would definitely look like it's gonna come out color, but I think it's gonna come more sheer than color for sure. But here we have another gloss right here. That's nice. Here we have number 15. We do have a nice little concealer brush. These are cute. These are really cute. 16. We have an eye primer. Okay, that's awesome. For a second, I thought it was like a nude gloss. I was like, ooh, I don't need that. But it's an eye primer. Okay, cool. 17. A little mirror. Nice little mirror. That's cute. I like that. Number 18. Like these videos are gonna be so short because I'm just showing you what we got. We have a eyebrow pencil. I don't think I've ever used like an actual eyebrow pencil like this. Interesting. Okay, cool. 19. Ooh, this should be like another like lit like an eyeshadow topper. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. Wow, that is gorgeous. Mix the two together. That'd be a really nice combination. Number 20, we have a beautiful blush called Flirt right here. That's pretty, actually. I realized I forgot 14. My bad. We have a black eyeliner. Ooh, it's a pen. Oh, I have not done a pencil liner in so long. Not sure if I'll keep this one. If you guys already know, if there are stuff in here that I'm not going to keep, I'm going to go ahead and put it into No Waste Wednesday, but that's cool. All right, number 21. Ooh, we have a very unique brush. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this does, but we have a brush right here. Okay, that's cool. All right, number 22. Ooh, it looks to me like we'd have another liquid lip right here. Very beautiful color. I like how they're doing really wearable stuff in here. That's nice. 23. This is going to be a contour palette in the shade Shape. Wow, okay, cool. Might be a little bit too deep for me, but you could definitely make this into a really beautiful eyeshadow for sure. And last but not least, we have item number 24. Now, I noticed like items like that come from the UK only go up to 24. I wonder why that is. Like, we're all about 25. They do 24. I wonder why. Oh, wait, I do have 25. It's just, it's right here. Okay, so we have another little brush right here. And then number 25, which is my stuff is sitting on. It's right here. Let's see what number 25 is. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is really pretty. Definitely goes with the theme of this entire box. That's actually really, really nice. Full-size makeup products in here. That is freaking epic. Thank you, Stacy. Okay, so next she also threw in a ultimate glamour collection. So I have no idea what's in here. It looks like it's gonna have like so much stuff. Okay, so looks like it's gonna have a illuminating fix spray. Oh my god, wow, okay, that's awesome. Now I'm definitely not gonna be able to keep this for myself because you guys already know that I don't really do anything luminous. That's actually really cool. This is a pretty weird, interesting box. Then there is a mascara. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to give that a try. That looks really nice. This is so cool, wow. This is a lot of makeup. They're not playing with these boxes. We have eye primer. Oh, okay, so this might be too deep for me, so I will have to pass this along because it's in the shade medium, but still put like an eye primer in here as well. That's actually really cool. Then there is lipsticks. So there are two lipsticks. There is this, wow. That is beautiful. Holy crap, this is gonna be in the shade, can't read it. Okay, so I don't know what shade this is, but let's, wow, that is gorgeous. Holy crap. Wow. Okay, and then we have this one. Oh, that is so pretty as well. Holy crap. Oh my god, mixing these two together would be so freaking gorgeous. That's actually really nice. Oh my god, that's actually really nice. Then we have a brush set, which comes with 3 brushes, but I'll probably go ahead and keep these wrapped up because I will go ahead and put those away. I think they're very similar to what we just got in our other unboxing just before. Then it also comes with 3 lip glosses, which is really nice. That's actually really cool. 2 eyeshadow palettes. Oh, definitely not my shade, but that's actually really cool. These look like they're all shimmers though. Interesting. Another eyeshadow palette. Oh, this one's actually really pretty. This would make a really pretty one for the holidays. I love that shimmer right there. That's nice. We have a nice, beautiful contour and highlight palette. I think this is awesome. This is cool. Wow, this really, really gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Followed by another, wow, another eyeshadow palette. Followed by one more. This is going to be a blush and cheek highlight palette right here. Wow, they really do give you like a full face. That's awesome. Wow. So that is everything that I got in my Makeup Revolution advent calendar and the Makeup Revolution like Ultimate Glamour collection. Once again, Stacey, thank you so much. These are actually so sweet. These are always fun that she sends these are always so much fun that she sends these to me, and it just means a lot that she thinks about me and wants to, you know, help my YouTube journey, and I freaking love it. So you guys are gonna know that if I don't use any of these items, they will go into a No Waste Wednesday. But Stacey, thank you so much. I love it, and I love you. And yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Another short video, but I wanted to make sure I can show you guys all the contents in here, just kind of unbox them, just kind of relax, you know. So that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, because I do post every single day in the month of Vlogmas. Please make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge thank you goes to all these wonderful, beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my viewers and subscribers, and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, just thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.